Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2017 Chevy Silverado LT double cab four-wheel drive. Stock number B8659A. Only 14,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, summit white in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seat 6 with a cloth interior. Split seat bottom flips up for additional cargo space, and rear defrost for excellent visibility. Z71 off-road suspension package includes skid plates for protection, locking tailgate, backup camera helping to give it a perfect 5-star front and side government crash rating, hitch and wiring, and backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Integrated trailer brake control, shift on the fly four-wheel drive with auto setting. Again, only 14,000 miles with driver information system, operated by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen, MyLink infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, along with heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Otherwise, up and out of the way for a middle passenger, with even more storage below. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Silverado is a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 80% of the tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB8659A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.